There's a new product in the market that allows for quick repairs of potholes on public and private roads. It can also be used for home DIY projects and repairs of such things as driveways and garages. It's called the Cold Patch Asphalt, and it comes from Phoenix Asphalt Philippines Incorporated.
May lutas, ang butas, may lutas, ang butas, may lutas, ang butas, may lutas, ang butas.
Potholes are the bane of motorists everywhere, and most start out as small cracks that quickly grow larger with every vehicle that runs over them. Repairing cracks and potholes on streets and highways can now be undertaken easily and quickly with an innovative product called Phoenix Cold Patch Asphalt. This new product has recently been launched by Phoenix Asphalt Philippines, a joint venture of Phoenix Petroleum, Thailand-based Tipco Asphalt Public Co. Limited, and Phil Asphalt Development Corporation.
Long term, our aim is to make Phoenix Asphalt a household name for the asphalt industry in the country and be known as a trusted and preferred brand by many, much like the way Phoenix has established itself as initially a trusted fuel brand and now a multi-industry company.
The Cold Patch Asphalt, introduced locally by Phoenix Asphalt, was developed by Tipco Asphalt, the leading manufacturer and distributor of asphalt products in Thailand. The introduction of Cold Patch Asphalt is very much appreciated by the Department of Public Works and Highways.
We also rely on our private partners such as Phoenix Petroleum in developing innovative products, advanced methodologies, and cutting-edge technologies that the department can use to improve the quality of our projects while minimizing the cost. Through our private partners initiative, remarkable products such as Phoenix Asphalt Cold Patch are developed. This type of product has a potential in improving the road maintenance as it can be easily used in repairing cracks and potholes without the need for heating or mixing.
So, what is Cold Patch Asphalt? What is it used for? And who can and should use it?
Actually, this is a very innovative product because it doesn't require heating. Unlike the traditional bitumen, wherein it requires heating, for this product, companies can use it for their small-scale projects like pothole repairs, trench filling, bike lanes, and the like.
Wow.
And private, or I would say private individuals, can also use this for their DIY projects.
Phoenix Cold Patch Asphalt Mix comes in 20-kilo bags. According to Phoenix, its Cold Patch Asphalt Mix is the ideal solution for reinstating trenches, filling potholes, patching, and simple paving projects. It can easily be applied by both professionals or DIYers in just 6 simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Remove all loose debris on the surface. Step 2. Ensure the surface is clean. Step 3. Pour top coat of emulsion with a dosage of 0.3 SL/square meter. Step 4. Apply a 2 to 6 centimeter layer of Cold Patch Mix. Step 5. Spread Cold Patch Mix evenly on surface, making sure the ends are filled. And Step 6. Use a hard tamper or mini compactor for small areas. The target layer is 1 centimeter above the existing surface level. What are the advantages of using Cold Patch Asphalt?
Once the product is applied at the right moment and at the right application, it's open immediately to traffic. You don't need to cordon off the area. It's primarily for asphalt.
Okay.
But you can also apply it for concrete, but we recommend to have an emulsion. If it is applied correctly, then it will be durable because it is somewhat like a permanent repair already. It can be applied during the rainy season because it is water resistant.
The Phoenix Cold Patch Asphalt Mix is now available locally for ordering and delivery. While initially it's marketed to Phoenix Asphalt's direct customers, the company plans to later distribute the product in hypermarts and other retail outlets.
Presently, the stocks will be centrally located in our bitumen facility in Calaca. Yeah. So for our existing customers on the line, you can get in touch directly with your account managers. Now, for new order queries, you should see a number in your screens right now. So please call that number for your order-related questions. Initially, we are aiming at our direct customers, meaning these are our construction companies, the big construction companies, as well as our tollway operators, because tollway operators always do their road maintenance. And we also have a distributor actually. And these distributors can more or less cater to the small to medium size contractors. Yeah. But before the year ends, we are targeting what we call the modern trade. These are the hypermarkets, so that the product is really readily available for the DIY.
The Cold Patch Asphalt Mix is an exciting product for both builders and contractors as well as DIYers. Many expect the product to live up to its hype.